In a small village lived a young man named Ali. His life was ordinary, but his dreams were extraordinary. Ali wanted to climb the highest mountain near his village and plant his flag at the top. People laughed at him. They said, "Ali, this is impossible for you. Even trained climbers have failed. You're just an ordinary boy. That mountain is for the strong and fearless." But Ali had one belief in his heart. Impossible is only for those who quit trying. Ali began his journey. The path was not easy. Snow, sharp rocks, and freezing winds stood in his way. Many times he slipped, his hands bled, his feet were torn. But every time he fell, he whispered to himself, "I will not stop." Pain is temporary, but success will last forever. Ali wasn't alone. A few companions walked with him, but as the journey grew harder, one by one they gave up. Some returned back, some sat down and refused to move. They told him, "Ali, turn back. This is not for you." But Ali smiled and said, "Going back is easy, but I don't want the easy path. I want my dream." As Ali reached close to the peak, darkness fell. The night was cruel, so cold that every breath turned into ice. Fear crept into his heart. For a moment he thought, "Maybe I won't survive till morning." But then he remembered his mother's words. "Son, if you want to reach your destination, never lose courage at the last step." That sentence became fire in his veins. He grabbed the rocks with trembling hands, pushed forward with frozen feet, and refused to stop. When the first ray of the morning sun touched the mountain, Ali stood at the peak. He planted his village's flag on the highest point. Tears filled his eyes, because he realized something powerful. The real victory was not conquering the mountain. The real victory was conquering his own fear, pain, and weakness. Ali's story teaches us, obstacles come to make us stronger. Those who quit along the way will never see the peak. Success always bows down to the one who refuses to give up until the last step. Remember, there is always space at the top of the mountain, but only for those who dare to climb it.